Why marriages fail? What are the reasons that makes a marriage to fail? What can cause a beautiful marriage to fail? That is what you are going to learn in this video. So make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. So before we proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men secrets, dating, and relationship advice for men and women. So if you are looking for a video like this or other related stuffs, make sure that you subscribe to be a member of this channel. So let's proceed. What can cause a marriage to fail? But before I continue, what is a marriage? A marriage is the process by which a man and a woman agree to come together to be husband and wife. Or a marriage is the process whereby a man and a woman accept each other and agree to live together as husband and wife. That is called marriage. So after the union, what can cause a marriage to break up? Or what can cause a marriage to fail? There are reasons, and these reasons are what people are searching for online, many places, to know how to equip or to cope with their marriage for a better marriage life. So before I proceed, make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you will never miss any of the reasons. What are the reasons? Once again, the reasons are: number one, lack of tolerance. Yes, tolerance is a great virtue in any relationship or marriage. Tolerance is what every couple needs to embrace or to adopt if they want a successful marriage or a successful relationship. There's no way that in any relationship or in any marriage there will be no offense. But once there is offense, you must learn to tolerate. That is when marriage or relationship never fails. But if you cannot tolerate what your partner did to you, marriage or relationship will fail. So lack of tolerance in marriage makes marriage to fail. Learn to tolerate, because no one is perfect. In any relationship or in marriage, no one is perfect. There will be at times when your partner will do something wrong. You have to tolerate if you want the best for that marriage. There will be a time when your partner will do something that will upset you. You have to tolerate for that marriage and that union to be successful. So tolerance is a great virtue which you need if you want your success in marriage, or if you want your marriage to be the best. You must learn to tolerate. No one is perfect. Bear that in mind. Number two is lack of contentment. Yes, in marriages, no one has everything. You might be fortunate or fortunate to marry a wealthy man. The other person might also marry an average man. All fingers are not equal. Everyone is not the same. So if you are fortunately, or if you are unfortunately, you get an average man, do not compare yourself with someone who marries a wealthy man. Be contented with your partner. Be contented with whatever he or she can provide for you. That is when a marriage is successful. Once you have the ability to be contentment in your marriage will never fail. But once you don't have the ability to be contented with whatever your partner provides for you, That is when marriages fail. Your partner might not get a car. He might not get all the material things. Try and be contented with him or her. Your partner might not be educated. Your partner might not get some qualities that you expect. Try to be contented with him. Once you have this contentment ability, that marriage will be successful. So I advise you today to learn how to be contented in your marriage. And lack of contentment is another reason why a marriage or a perfect relationship will fail. Once you have the ability to be contented, no matter how little or how small both of you can afford for each other, be contented. No condition is permanent. Someday, sometimes, things may turn around. You start enjoying. Number 3 reason why most marriages fail is lack of love. And in any marriages, once there is love, that marriage must be successful. That marriage must go far. That marriage must be one of the best marriage ever experienced. But once there is no love, maybe you marry your partner because he is handsome, because he is wealthy, because he has a car. What if tomorrow those things vanish? What will you do? That means there is no love. What may happen tomorrow can make you to change your mind if there is no love. But once there is love and all these things vanishes, you must be in that marriage or you must be in that relationship. So you must learn to marry the person that you really love, whether the person has everything you want or not, but at least have 80%, okay, let me say 60% of love to that person. Once both of you start living gradually, the love will grow. But once you marry somebody that you don't love, there is nothing he or she will do that will please you. There is nothing he or she will do that will abuse your spirit. So it is better for you to choose to marry someone that you love, for you to have a perfect marriage. Lack of love in a marriage makes marriage to fail. Lack of love in marriage also makes marriage not to be successful. And there will be no improvement, no growth in that marriage because of hatred. But once there is love, both of you plan together, both of you work together, both of you learn to forgive each other when there is offenses. That marriage must be a perfect marriage. That marriage must grow. That marriage must be one of the best marriage ever recorded. So if you want a perfect marriage, or if you want your marriage to be successful, learn to love your partner. The last and the best reason why most marriages fail is because of lack of forgiveness. You must learn to forgive no matter what, no matter the level of atrocities or the level of what your partner did. You must learn to forgive. Since you have entered that marriage, since you have get involved in that marriage, you must learn to forgive your partner. Once you have the ability to forgive, you must have a successful marriage. You must have a perfect relationship. But once you cannot forgive, that is when you start having malice. That is when you start referring the past. You start thinking of what you are not supposed to think about. Suddenly, somehow, someday, that marriage will fail. But once you can forgive and let the past go, let the offenses behind you, you must have a perfect marriage. So, for you to have a perfect marriage, for you to have a perfect relationship, please learn to forgive and learn to adopt all these reasons so that you have a perfect marriage. Practice all this that I taught you today. You will have the best and you will have a perfect marriage. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please hit the like button once again. Subscribe to this channel to be a member of this channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. Make sure that you comment on this video. In fact, comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Comment on this video to tell me what you feel like over this video. I will appreciate it. If you have any question or anything you want me to do for you through videos, don't hesitate to put it down in the comment section. I promise to reply and I promise to give you the best. Thank you for watching my video and thank you for stopping by. I love you all and I wish you all the best. See you people in my next video. See you in my next video. Thanks. Bye bye.